Hello class, welcome to week 5. I'm sorry last week I don't quite know what happened with the sound, but I was informed towards the end of the week it wasn't working and I just didn't have the chance to re-record, so I see it's working now. I don't know what happened, but we are halfway done class. I hope you are doing well. I know it's a lot to take in, and it's just a different skill to exercise than most of the things that you utilize and do in the courses. But we're halfway done. That doesn't mean we don't have a lot of things to do, so let's focus on what is due this week. Last week in week 4, you turned in that literature review part 2. I'm going to work on grading that because you're going to see it's not until week number 7 where that third part it's due, but I do want to get you the feedback sooner rather than later so that you can start working on those next steps. But this week, week 5, you can see the readings here with the B&K books, chapters 7 through 9, different lectures and materials below to click on and make sure that you listen to any if they have sound. What is due this week? You have your first critique that is due Sunday by midnight. The assignment description is here. We can go to that. You're going to see it's pretty straightforward as to what is expected. You're going to find and evaluate one quantitative research article and make sure you read the guide to quantitative research article critique and also the rubric below. But basically, the assignment instructions are pretty straightforward as to what is expected within it. You note down here you're going to have a brief intro. You're going to have a section on the believability of the research as you're critiquing the article, the robustness of the research, the counseling implications or insights, and then you'll note that you'll also be graded upon APA writing. So it's very clear as to what I will be used to grade your assignment, and you can see the different point allocations as well. If we go back, you're going to see here there's a paper outline. So it reviews the assignment instructions a bit more detailed. I'll click on that so you can see that briefly here. So this one goes step by step as to what is expected for each of the sections, and you can see it really clear as to how I'm going to be grading each of those sections too as well. So that's a nice guide for you within that portion of the module. And then down here below is the guide to the quantitative research article critique, which was referenced earlier within the module. That's really important for you to review as well. So you have a lot of great resources to help you, to support you for this first critique. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Looking ahead, you'll see with week 6 we have the qualitative critique, and as noted earlier, your literature review due in week 7, and then week 8 we look to program evaluation and that. So that is it for this week. I hope you're doing well. As always, please reach out to me if you have any concerns, and I look forward to moving forward to the second half of class. Thank you.